A very good morning to all of you ladies and gentlemen on what is for Calcutta a rather chilly Sunday morning, headline grabbing chilly Sunday morning, yet very, very pleasant Sunday morning. And we have also gathered here today, this morning, for a very pleasant task. Just 3 days ago, the Victoria Memorial Hall celebrated its 113th Foundation Day, and close on the heels of that, today we are again assembled to take yet another leap forward, keeping in line with the policy that we shall embrace technology-aided facilitation for all kinds of museum activities, whichever will make things easier for the people, more accessible for the people. So, keeping in line with that, we are assembled here this morning for this very pleasant occasion. So right at the outset, I would like to request Dr. Jayanto Sengupta, Secretary and Curator of Victoria Memorial Hall, to address the gathering. And Jayanto, before you come up, may I request you to kindly felicitate our special guest this morning, Sri Raghavendra Singh, IAS Secretary, Ministry of Culture, Government of India, by presenting him a shawl. And now for your words of welcome.
Respected Sri Raghavendra Singh, Secretary to the Government of India, Ministry of Culture, my senior colleagues from the country's premier museums and libraries present here, Sri A.S. Manekar, the Director General of the National Council of Science Museums, Dr. Arun Chakravarti, Director General of the National Library and the Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation, the Director of the Indian Museum, Sri Rajesh Purohit, all other members of this distinguished audience, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning to all of you and a very happy new year. What we are going to offer to you in this new year are two new initiatives. We are assembled here today for the first of these. The Victoria Memorial Hall is the most visited museum in India. Nearly 35 lakh people visit us each year, not counting the 50,000 odd whom we give a free tour. This means that we are generally crowded round the year, and especially in the winter tourist season, as you can see all around you. Those of you who have visited us during that season know how frustrating it can be to crawl along the endless queues for tickets that snake outside the gates. We're happy to announce that in a few minutes from now, our Secretary Culture is going to personally launch the initiative that will give you an opportunity to bypass those queues by going online to buy your tickets to India's most visited museum. This is in keeping with the Honorable Prime Minister's Digital India initiative. Our ticketing partner for this is Book My Show, and the regional head of Northeast India, Mr. Karan Arora, is here with us. And their ticketing platform for the Victoria Memorial Hall will be accessible both directly on their website and through a hyperlink from our own website, as you can find out on the projection screen. You will be able to use debit and credit cards as well as net banking to buy tickets. International users will need to have a PayPal account to buy tickets online. Those who have smartphones will have an M-ticket with a QR code generated instantly, which will just need to be scanned at the gates for a paperless validation. Those who don't have smartphones will need a printout with the QR code. In addition to launching this, our Secretary Culture will also inaugurate 2 automatic vending machines, ticket vending machines, near the north and the south gates of the campus. We hope the online ticketing system, combined with the ticket ATMs, as it were, will considerably lessen your queuing blues in the Victoria Memorial Hall. This is the first initiative. As for the other new initiative, we are also happy to announce that after an endeavor that has spanned several years, a week from now, on Monday the 15th January at 12 noon, we will hand over the duties of the security and surveillance of the Victoria Memorial Hall to the Central Industrial Security Force, CISF. We're very grateful to our trustees and the Ministry of Culture for giving us their unstinting support for both these initiatives. And we are especially grateful to our Secretary Culture, sir, for readily agreeing to launch this personally and thus inspire us towards more such ventures. Thank you all very much for being here and giving us your support. We hope you will continue to be with us both offline and online. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Jayanta Sengupta. As Dr. Sengupta told you, we have amongst us Dr. Karan from the Book My Show, Head Northeast. So may I request you, sir, to come and say a few words here and take us through a kind of demonstration as to how it is going to function. We'll have to ask.
Hi, good morning everyone, and Happy New Year to all. At Book My Show, we are very, very excited to partner with Victoria Memorial. We'd like to congratulate the Victoria Memorial team and the Minister of Culture and for taking this huge step. At in West Bengal, in Kolkata, we've had very less traction, in the past, and this partnership will actually help both Book My Show and Victoria Memorial to reach out to a huge section of people who'll have the convenience of booking tickets while on the move, while at home, using us, just logging in onto Book My Show, you'll be able to book tickets very, very easily. And the beauty of it all is that one needs to just get the QR code and the barcode to the entrance. You get the ticket scan and you enter the venue without having to collect any physical ticket or even interacting with the box office whatsoever. I'll quickly go through a small demo of how tickets are to be booked on Book My Show. This is the website part of it. Otherwise, people who are on the go can use their Book My Show application on Android and on iOS to transact and make use of the M-ticketing service that we have enabled for Victoria Memorial. Right. So we are so the tickets, of course, are available on the website, which is the Victoria Memorial Hall website. The buy tickets page is right up front. All one has to do is click on the buy tickets online page, and you start with the transaction. I'm afraid there seems to be some internet connection issues. The Victoria Memorial event is already here we go. This is the landing page of Victoria Memorial Hall on Book My Show. All one has to do is pick a date and the category of tickets that one needs to buy, and move to transact for that ticket. It's as simple as that. It seems the internet connection is a bit slow, but the Victoria Memorial Hall tickets are already live on Book My Show, the app. So one can just quickly browse through the app and immediately buy tickets. One will be able to get an M ticket, and we can use that M ticket to enter the venue at any given point in time. I'll try this one more time. No connection at the moment. Anyway, the tickets are already live on Book My Show. You can browse through it on Book My Show app. And thank you so much once again for inviting us. And thank you to the Victoria Memorial team for having us over. Hope to sort of partner with a lot more venues across the country and the state like this. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Arora. I think even the internet doesn't want to work on a Sunday morning at the same pace that it does throughout the week. But there is a connection, and now we will request our Secretary, Ministry of Culture, Government of India, Sri Raghavendra Singh, to please come up and formally inaugurate this online ticketing system.
Good morning, everyone. I find this place just simply glorious. Sunday morning. I say this because I've come in from Delhi, and believe you me, for the last one and a half months, we really have hardly seen the sun. So when you see a sun in all its glorious hue, you really feel uplifted. So that's one, and with the Victoria Memorial in the background, it's even more uplifting a feeling. Well, I'm here for something very positive, something very in line with what the government wants to do in terms of initiative, digitalizing things, making things more comfortable for visitors to experience. So today we're going online with our ticket bookings here in Victoria. I think the next step would be to perhaps take it up in the Indian Museum, if it is not already on. Okay, oh, so that's great. The our chief from the Indian Museum says that we will make it online within a fortnight. So that's also. I have also had the opportunity of taking a round here, and it's really heartening to see that in a month or two we are going to add a few galleries for visitors to see. So those galleries currently are undergoing brisk innovation, and should be ready for us before the winters are out, truly out. So that'll add to the experience too. And say around March, the idea is to synchronize a couple of events for Calcutta here, as also in the grand old magnificent old currency building next to the Writers Building, and the Metcalfe Hall, and the Indian Museum. So put together, I think we will try and attain a sort of a cultural coup, as I was telling some of my colleagues. So we are going to endeavor towards it, and I wish all my colleagues the very best in their initiative. And visiting Calcutta is always a great pleasure, which I look forward to. Thank you very much.
May we request you, sir, to formally also inaugurate the automatic ticketing machine which has been installed at the North Gate and the South Gate, that will get unveiled through a press of a remote here, and then it will be open for ticketing. Thank you very much. Now those ticketing machines are open for people to book tickets without going to the manual counters. We will request the help of our technical people to come and do the connectivity right at the moment so that we can also show you how the tickets are booked online.
Good morning, sir, and Happy New Year to all of you, and good morning and to all of you here. So I feel privileged and honored to get this opportunity to propose vote of thanks. Today is really the red letter day for Victoria Memorial Hall, when our respected secretary is here to inaugurate this online ticketing system and also the automated ticket vending machine. I, on behalf of Victoria Memorial Hall, Book My Show, and on my own behalf, express my deep regards and thanks to our Secretary Sir for inaugurating these facilities to the visitors. I also thank to Mr. Aurora, who is the head Northeast Book My Show, for his effort to help us to launch these facilities to the visitors. Also, his team members, Mr. Venkatesh and Mr. Pushkar, who has also helped us for making this possible. And last, I also thank to all the dignitaries, all the higher officials of organizations of Ministry of Culture present here, to the visitors, to our officials and staff of Victoria Memorial Hall, and also Sima Enterprise and Betar Mahal for helping us to successfully launch this program. Thank you all. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. That was Sri Nitish Kumar Das, the Administrative Officer of Victoria Memorial Hall, proposing the vote of thanks. We are trying it once more with the help of a phone. Our technician is connecting a hotspot to the phone. See this rather reluctant internet connection. We are giving it one more try.
So we are back at the demo. Once on the website, all you have to do is select the category of tickets and the date that you are interested in going and visiting the Victoria Memorial Hall. You proceed to transaction, like I'm doing right now. You fill in a couple of details, including your credit card details and all. And I will try doing this right away.